Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Cook and I'll be your math and science teacher this year. Something new this year, we will be switching partway through the day and Mrs. Arbuckle will be your social studies and reading teacher. We will definitely talk more about that the first virtual day of school, but right now I would like to give you a quick view of how our classroom is coming together. As we pan around the room, you may be seeing some of our new furniture. We are trying our best to socially distance and space students apart. This year, we will be using technology and communicating through technology more than we ever have before. To do so, we'll be using two pieces of technology, Google Classroom and Classroom Dojo. Google Classroom is where you'll find assignments, links, calendar information. Class Dojo is more of an incentive. You can earn points or lose points, and then you get to spend those on different prizes that, as a class, we decide on. To get connected to either the classroom or dojo, you can find those links in our open house pamphlet that's also in the Google Classroom. This year we'll also be using Zoom Premiere to video chat and live stream, which is a little different than last year. We didn't live stream. So those at home, you can watch our lessons live and be a part of our class. Our first day will be on Zoom, so look for that link in our Google Classroom sometime next week. 5th grade office hours. Mrs. Arbuckle and myself have the same office hours. Those are every Wednesday from 9 to 10. So if you need help from either her or I, we'll be happy to help you from 9 to 10 every Wednesday while you're at home. To find out more about me, our schedule, supplies, or to get connected to Class Dojo or our Google Classroom, you can go to the 2020 Open House link within our Google Classroom. I'm very excited to meet everyone very soon.